Aujourd'hui, c'est une nouvelle vidéo. Je vais vous expliquer toutes les nouveautés dans Brawl Stars. Déjà en premier, il y a une nouvelle mise à jour et vous allez tout comprendre ce qui va se passer. Il y aura des brawlers en nouveau et apparemment, il y aura un ultra légendaire. Et voilà. Comme vous voyez, j'ai fait la mise à jour. Et voilà, j'ai fait la mise à jour, comme vous voyez. Mais il y aura un petit problème. Vous allez voir des suites. Là, c'était l'ancien. Et là, c'est le problème. Il y a une durée. Apparemment, c'est 21h ou 20h. Je sais pas. Parce que pour enlever le événement, il y a écrit 21h. Et c'est vraiment dommage. Là, comme vous voyez, 21h. C'est vraiment très dommage si c'est ça. Mais je vais vous montrer le écran chargement, le nouveau, pas l'ancien. Ça, c'était l'ancien. Mais moi, ça veut pas faire le nouveau. C'est bizarre. D'habitude, c'est un autre. Mais ok. Là, comme vous voyez à droite, ici, là, il y a le nouveau.
In this Brawl Talk, you will see Sirius, the 100 brawler.
And Naja?
Déjà en premier, il y a 2 nouveaux brawlers. Et on va regarder le Brawl Talk. Je l'ai déjà regardé. Mais voilà. Et le premier brawler, apparemment, ça sera un ultra légendaire. Et le deuxième, mythique, comme de par hasard.
Thinks his employee?
Buff is for another 6 brawler,
déjà,
a completely new.
déjà, il y aura des nouveaux prestiges et des nouvelles hypercharges, apparemment. Et des nouveaux buffies qui servent à rien, apparemment. Et voilà. Hein. Déjà en premier, le nouveau brawler. Le deuxième, quand on tire une fois, on peut retirer et ça fait du poison.
Trophy system. Sense of time and...
Les nouveaux skins, on les voit. Doug, RT, non, voilà quoi. Lily, Jean, non, Larry, Lori, et voilà. Il y a encore des brawlers, mais je connais pas trop, mais c'est pas grave. Cortelus, etc. Et voilà, on y va.
Dragons and fairy skins. New game mode.
Il y aura un nouveau game. On aura des nouveaux skins, dragons, comme ils disent. Et des nouveaux games, comme Brawl Ball, des nouveaux quoi.
Previous to Buffies and more. So, welcome to Brawl Talk.
Brawl Talk.
Oh, hey, what's up, Marcel?
Greetings, my dear companion, Daddy-o. Look at him. So innocent.
Regardez bien. Là, regardez sur lui en bas. Polly, il a prestige. Ça veut dire, il a dit déjà en avance, avant, mais quand même, il a déjà sur son pull.
Powerless. He has no idea that I want to take over Brawl Talk and make the whole world watch me.
Sirius is our 100 brawler. So,
Le brawler qui sera le champion brawler, il va s'appeler Serious. Ils sont pas sérieux là. Mais voilà quoi.
we had to do something
Il va
special.
ressembler à ça. C'est comme un prix star du chaos ultra légendaire ou légendaire. Parce que là, légendaire, il est en haut. Et là, maintenant, il est ultra légendaire. Bah vrai, on est d'accord, il ressemble à un prix star du chaos.
Not only is he ultra legendary with a unique playstyle where he can
légendaire,
control
pardon.
shadows of other brawlers, he's our first ever villain. Sirius is back.
Regardez, si vous avez compris, là, il attaque une fois. Et après, avec son ulti, bah, il prend comme si il va toucher Shade, bah, il va faire l'ulti, bah, son ulti, ça sera Shade, ou ça sera 1 comme ici, là, ou ça sera 3, parce que d'habitude, c'est 3. Et ça fait 2 attaques, une en haut, une en bas. Ça fait 2 fois plus de dégâts, mais voilà quoi.
attention once brawling started becoming more popular than his shadow tricks.
Ah, ça, c'est
And
clair.
now he's back for revenge.
Sirius' main attack fires two projectiles at the same time. A Shadow Strike, which fires in a straight line, and a Star Bomb, which can be manually aimed and
Ah,
deals
oh, vous avez vu, vous avez vu. Regardez.
And now he's back for revenge.
Sirius' main attack fires two projectiles at the same time. A Shadow Strike, which fires in a straight line, and
Vous avez
a
vu,
Star
il a déjà, il vient juste de sortir. Il a déjà une hyper charge, comme vous voyez. Bah ça sera un peu mal parce que il y a des brawlers qui attendent, hein, leur hyper charge. Mais les nouveaux, ils ont toujours comme des brawlers quoi.
Bomb, which can be manually aimed and deals area damage. Sirius will collect a Brawler Shadow after a certain number of hits. But what are Brawlers?
Regardez, en fait, si il attaque, il aura un truc. Si tu touches plus que 5 fois, ça sera 1. Si tu touches plus que 10 fois, ça sera 2. Si ça sera plus que 20 fois, ça veut dire que vous pouvez faire les 3 en même temps, etc. quoi.
Shadows.
Sirius
Oh, vous avez vu, lui aussi, il avait un prestige sur
Shadow
son,
Strike, which fires in a
cube.
straight line, and a Star Bomb, which can be manually aimed and deals area damage. Sirius will collect a Brawler Shadow after a certain number of hits. But what are Brawler
Regardez, lui aussi, il a Fang, prestige, comme on le voit, quoi.
Shadows?
Sirius steals the essence of brawlers, bending their shadows to his will.
Et ça fait
His
la même
super
attaque
summons up to
que
3 brawler
les
shadows,
brawlers
which
qu'ils
share
ont
similar
touchés.
characteristics to their brawler counterpart, like attacks and health. A Frank shadow will have more health than a Leon shadow, for example.
Shadows will attack enemies and by default will follow Sirius around. But here's the really cool part. Sirius can actually control the shadow. By aiming his super, he can give them orders like guarding an area or attacking certain enemies.
Is this the start of a Brawl Stars RTS? Sirius is also launching with his
Attendez,
hyper...
vous avez vu?
Around. But here's the really cool part. Sirius can actually control the shadow. By aiming his super, he can give them orders
Il y a un
like
truc qui est
guarding an area
intéressant.
or attacking certain enemies.
Is this the start of a Brawl Stars RTS?
Voilà. Brawl Stars Craft. C'est-à-dire on pourra faire des crafts, on dirait. Parce que ici il est écrit craft. En haut il y a le nouveau brawler. Et en bas aussi il y a le nouveau brawler. Moi je dis que en haut il est beaucoup plus cheaté parce que vraiment on prend des esprits et on peut en avoir 3. Ils ont la même qualité de vie, même dégâts. Vraiment.
Sirius is also launching with his hypercharge,
Voilà,
which summons
hypercharge.
stronger versions of his shadows.
And just like Sirius' chaotic nature, we
Mais-
are doing something different for his
Est-ce
release
que
event.
s'il y
More
a un
information on
brawler
that.
qui n'a pas son
Closer.
hypercharge, est-ce que regardez, comme si il y a un brawler qui n'a pas son hypercharge, il fait son hypercharge. Parce que Frank, il a son hypercharge, mais il a fait, c'était méga, c'était un... Ouais, c'est pas grave. Là, comme vous voyez, il y aura des défis, et on pourra avoir Sirius pour gratuit, apparemment.
To his release.
We're heading back to Pyramid Quest with this next
Oh, il y
brawler.
avait
Think
Tic, Prestige.
is getting a buddy, or is it a rival?
Nagia is a mythic damage dealer who uses her papercraft snakes to wreak havoc and poison the enemy. Originally hired by
Comme
Finks
vous
to
voyez,
help make
il
the
attaque
puzzles
une
in
fois,
Pyramid Quest
elle.
harder, her good
Une
nature
fois,
led
et
her
après
to
deux
help
fois, il y a
free
une
those
pause.
trapped by Finks' time warping mischief instead.
With her main attack, Nadia hurls a jar containing
C'est
a
trop bien,
deadly
moi,
snake.
j'adore
While
ce
the jar is
brawler,
in flight,
je le vois.
the snake can be
Je
released
vais
in
le
any
jouer
direction.
tous
This
les
is
jours quand
extremely
il va
useful for
sortir.
hitting enemies behind walls or tricky spots, as well as giving her extremely long
savez
range.
pourquoi?
The jar deals damage while the snake
Parce que
poisons
ça se
its
voit, il y a
target.
des mortiers
Snake
qui
poison
sont
can also
derrière
stack,
le mur,
dealing
là.
increased
Toi, tu
damage
peux
over
même pas
time.
partir.
Naja's super,
Parce qu'il a
Danger
10,
Noodle, unleashes 3 of her paper
pour
snakes, which
pour rien
slither
faire,
at set
bah, alors
distance
on fait
and
juste
poison
ça.
any enemies in an area. Her super
Et
can
après,
also be
le
aimed
super, ça, on pourra comme faire la même chose. Tu tires et tu fais le super. Tu tires et tu tires encore. Et tu tires et super ou juste super.
which throws the 3 snakes in a jar to a
C'est
target
trois,
location.
c'est trois.
Naja's Brawler's release event is on this date.
We are getting improvement.
Lequel?
Area. Her super can also be aimed, which throws the 3 snakes in a jar to a target location. Not just Brawler's release event is on this day.
Voilà. Mars 20, on pourra faire ce event, comme vous voyez, quoi. Et je vous dis, restez là pour le 20 mars. Ouais. Chut. Ne regardez pas dans les commentaires, il y avait un truc bizarre. Voilà. Mais pas dans le mien, ce que vous, qui est en bas, là. C'était un peu bizarre. Vous avez compris, quoi.
We are getting improvements to buffies and more buffies! First up,
Nouveau
we've got the new
Buffy.
buffies for the Retropolis and Rumble Jungle trios.
Moi,
Crow's
j'adore le
Instadot now deals all
de Léon, maintenant. Il est trop bien.
the remaining poison damage to the poison target and converts it into a shield. With a Buffy, it refreshes the poison damage. Crow's Poison Dagger now throws a kunai that damages, slows, and poisons the first enemy hit. With a Buffy, the kunai also bounces to a close target, causing the same effect. Extra Toxic with a Buffy now makes Crow deal more damage for each enemy poisoned. Carrion Crow with a Buffy makes his poison last slightly longer. Crow's Hyper Buffy makes his main attack pierce and return to him while hypercharged.
Bibi's Vitamin Booster with the Buffy charges her home run bar and life steals when hitting a target. Bibi's Extra Sticky now throws a sticky gum at an area that slows enemies. With the Buffy, the slow effect gets stronger the longer the gum stays on the ground. Bibi's home run Buffy gives extra damage on the home run attack. And batting stance with the Buffy.
Il y a écrit brave. Attends.
The Buffy, the slow effect gets stronger the longer the gum stays on the ground. Bibi's home run
Regardez, il s'appelle Brave Scream. C'est-à-dire, je sais pas, il a peur peut-être.
Buffy gives extra damage on the
Ah,
home
j'ai
run attack.
compris.
And bat
Ils ont fait un script pour tester les nouveaux brawlers et les autres ils peuvent pas attaquer. J'ai compris.
Batting stance with the Buffy gives Bibi a shield when she hits an enemy with her super. Bibi's Hyper Buffy makes her attack faster.
Bull's T-Bone Injector now throws a projectile at the target brawler that deals damage and heals Bull on
Hey,
impact.
big.
With Buffy, it also marks the opponent for 5 seconds.
Attendez, il bug trop là, c'est un problème. J'ai un peu.
Grants movement speed. Bull's Berserker with Buffy instantly charges his super if he takes down a brawler during the star power effect. As for Tough Guy with Buffy, if you take a brawler down during this state, Bull becomes invulnerable for a short period of time. With his Hyper Buffy, his attacks pierce enemies, but deal less damage to enemies further away.
Nita's Bear Paws with the Buffy will cause Bruce to gain more damage for a limited time. Fall Fur with the Buffy will make Bruce invulnerable for a very short time. Nita's Buffy Bear with me can now overheal herself or Bruce. And Hyper Bear with the Buffy will give Nita boosted reload speed when summoning Bruce. With her Hyper Buffy, she fires a longer, faster, and wider attack.
Leon's clone projector now deals minor damage, and with the Buffy, Leon can reactivate the gadget to swap positions with his clone. Lollipop Drop can now be thrown, and with a Buffy, Leon and his allies get boosted movement speed in the area. Leon's smoke trails with the Buffy deal more damage on the first attack while Leon is invisible. And Invisiheal with the Buffy makes the super last slightly longer. His Hyper Buffy makes his attacks do full damage regardless of the distance he is from the enemy.
Bo's Super Totem can now be thrown. With Buffy, the totem gains more range. As for Tripwire, Bo now fires arrows to trigger his mine, which knock back any brawler in their path. With the Buffy, it increases the range of the mine. Bo's Circling Eagle with the Buffy makes Bo no
Comme vous avez vu, la Bo, elle est tellement cheatée. Tu peux mettre 3 trucs. Et s'il va partir, bah non, tu le mets là-bas. Hein, et ça va exploser et voilà.
longer visible when attacking from a bush. As for Snare Bear with the Buffy, it makes the placement of the mines faster. Bo's Hyper Buffy shoots an extra arrow and all of them have a bigger explosion radius.
And as you remember, if any of these brawlers had a mythic gear, it will be removed and its value refunded back to you. As for Buffy improvements, this new batch of Buffys will come in a new claw machine. Each claw machine will come with the first pull for free. A random Buffy will be available in Mega Quests every month, and there'll be more ways to get coins and power points in our new Rush events. More about this later in the video.
The new trophy system has no reset.
It's time to flex your brawler prestige.
And show off your skill with new brawler title.
Your path to prestige starts now! Or actually, in the next update. There's a lot of new stuff and changes, so hang tight.
Dans l'autre
from zero to-
update, comme vous voyez, déjà il a mis, mais où quand tu auras ces trophées, Ou t'auras des skins, ou t'auras des icônes, ou t'auras des prestiges. À 1000 chez Prestige.
1000 trophies, you will get brawler cosmetic items. At 250 trophies, you will get a player icon and a spray. At 500, you will get 3 pins. At 750, you will get a 29 gem skin. And when you reach 1000 trophies, you will get a gold brawler title. You will notice that some of these rewards are from records. And this means we are removing these cosmetics from records and making them more accessible for more players. So playing a new brawler or your favorite ones should feel more rewarding in general. You are also getting more trophies per win, and win streaks go up to plus 10 trophies, so pushing trophies should be faster.
But hold on, we know that skillful players want to flex their skills and achievements that nobody else can reach. So let's talk Prestige. Once you get to 1000 trophies, you unlock Prestige 1, and it will change the brawler icon to a cool, edgy neon one. Also, your 1000 trophies are now saved, and you will never be able to lose them, as after Prestige 1, you will start getting Prestige trophies, and they will also count towards Trophy Road. Once you hit 1000 Prestige trophies, you get to Prestige 2.
In Prestige 2, you get your brawler rank change and a unique player icon. At this point, you have proven you are really good with this brawler, so this icon will be quite rare to get. And that's a cool achievement and such, but nothing like Prestige 3. For OG players, Prestige 3 would be the equivalent of the rank 35 we had years ago. There's no more win streak bonus, no underdog, and matchmaking would try to be as accurate as possible. So if you get to Prestige 3, you are probably one of the best players with that brawler, and you'll be rewarded with a new brawler title in Neon.
This is going to be a new permanent system in the game, so it might seem grindy, but remember that trophies do not reset anymore.
After prestiging one brawler, you will also get a new prestige battle card, and a cooler one if you prestige 25 different brawlers, and a shinier one after you prestige 15. You and everyone else will be able to see all the brawlers you have prestiged in your brawler profile.
As for leaderboards, it will be measured by your total trophies plus total prestige trophies and your total number of prestiges.
Si vous avez bien compris, déjà regarde, maintenant ça sera comme ça, le truc là. Il y aura des trophées normaux et les nouveaux trophées, comme vous avez vu, comme avec la boîte des trophées quoi.
This prestige system will be retired and moved as a legacy stat in your player profile.
And lastly, we are also changing how matchmaking works. The trophy system will use a hidden MMR. This system is mainly based on your skill and not on your trophies. This means that the further you push, the more skillful your opponents will be. But it doesn't necessarily mean they would have the same number of trophies as you.
This new system will be coming to the game in the next update, which means the current trophy season is going to be shorter, but everyone will get an ultra trophy box as compensation for that. And if you can...
Bah, il y aurait une boîte pour tout le monde, pour compétition, parce que sinon il y avait trop de bugs, que si on a tous les skins, on a que des blinks qui servent à rien, etc. quoi. Bah, même si on n'a pas de skin assez, on n'a rien, on n'a que 20 objets et ça doit être le maximum, ça doit être 30. C'est un exemple.
Grind enough season trophies this season, you can get another one.
This is also the last time your trophies will be reset. The trophy season boxes will be removed from the system and now will be given at community events.
Voilà. Comme vous avez compris, ça sera des events pour avoir ces boîtes. Mais il n'y aura plus la roue star ou pour faut des trophées max, etc. Parce que sinon c'est trop dur et on perd des trophées, on gagne des trophées, c'est un peu dur.
Of course, there are a lot of changes around trophies, so we might be tweaking and improving the system in upcoming updates.
Gamer time!
Rush events are the new way to get more coins, power points, chaos drops, and even bonus trophies. You just have to press and hold this massive button on the game mode selection screen, and once it's activated, every match you play will reward you more. It only lasts for a certain amount of time, so be sure to activate only when you have enough time to play.
And only a suggestion, but you might want to be playing with your friends or in a team to increase your chances of winning.
Our yearly
Il y
tradition...
aura les nouveaux skins. Bah attendez, je vais vous tout expliquer. Là c'est 8-8, là c'est Doug, là c'est Lily, là c'est Cordelius, là c'est Larry et Lori.
Of bringing back the Sands of Time skin. We got Sunstalker Lily, Sandwalker Lily, and Night Sands
C'est les
Lily
skins
as one
de Brawl Stars dans le pass de combat.
of the Brawl Pass skin sets. And Sultan Cordelius, Heated Sultan Cordelius,
Bah le
And-
Cordelius aussi, il est dans le pass de combat.
Full Suit and Cordelius as the other skin set option. And a reminder that you can get both skin sets with the Brawl Pass Plus.
Also in Sands of Time, we have Bodyguard BB that swapped her bat for a massive blade. From a sentient video game to a cursed jar, we have Canopic Jar 8-bit. Dynasty Doug, the chillest ruler in the dynasty. And lastly, Magic Lamp Larry and Laurie, where Laurie becomes an evil genie and Larry gets weird when you rub him.
Now, for the RPG fans out there, we have the Dragons and Fairies team.
Là, c'est
Fairy
les dragons
Pony and the
skin.
other two Chroma
c'est
variations are one of the
Bonnie
Brawl
dans
Pass
Passe de
skin
combat
sets
encore.
if you want something more cute.
Là,
If
ils
you
ont
want something
prévu 3
edgier,
pages de
then
combat.
Dragon Grid
4
and his
pages de
other
combat en
Chromas might be
avance.
more your style.
On the fairy side, we still have Fairy Mina, which gives her some nice celestial vibes. And Fairy Frank, which looks like the most majestic creature that has ever stepped on Star Park.
As for the dragon side, Dragon Macy has her arm in the shape of a dragon and connected to her heart. And Dragon Grom has all the elements for an edgy skin. Dragon wings, edgy purple mask, and a metal armor.
On the topic of dragons, Crow is getting the next Brawl Pass skin. It starts like a friendly dragon version of Crow, but then it goes all the way up to an ultimate
5
boss
pages de
dragon
combat en
form. It
avance.
also has 2 chroma variations, Dragon Forge Crow and Ghost Dragon Crow.
Well, just stop it, man. Just stop.
And random skin time with
Oh.
Royal Trunks, which is inspired by the Clash Royale lock. Vert Glow, which is the inverted version of Clover. Inflatable Melody, which is for April Fools, your thirsty melodians. And Bruce, Nita?
Rendre le
We
Luca,
have
il est
new
un peu
game
bizarre.
modes, modifiers, and more. Starting with Loaded Showdown. Showdown boxes are now replaced with mystery boxes, and they will contain different kinds of power-ups, including
New special items that can be thrown or equipped, like bowling balls, bombs, and a bumper car.
Oui,
It's the
vous
first
en
car in
rappelez?
Brawl Stars.
Oh, il y a des voitures. Comment ça, il y a des voitures? Bah, déjà, vous en rappelez le pire event, sauf pour les tryharders, quand la balle, elle était en feu et tu peux rien faire.
we will also have new boss fights with different mechanics and special dungeon maps. We have 2 new game modifiers based on brawler powers. We have the Finks effects in some matches that will stop projectiles for a short time, and moving sandstorms, just like Sandy.
Treasure Hunt is getting some improvements and coming back to the
Oh,
game,
sure,
and Samurai
thanks,
Smash
Index.
is getting a new wrapping around series. Now you have to defeat Brawler Shadows in a team versus team match. Whoever defeats more shadows wins.
Also, this is coming.
Different VFX for shields. White shield when you respawn, yellow shield for damage reduction, and purple shield for when you get extra temporary health.
Pierce got a hypercharge. He fires
Oh,
2 waves of
Pierce,
projectiles,
hypercharge.
with the second wave dealing 50% less damage. They also pierce brawlers. And you need a friend because Glover also has a
Glover
hypercharge.
hypercharge.
Now he causes fear regardless of the direction he's facing, and it affects everyone around him. Fear targets also take more damage from all sources. Hey everyone, this is going to be my last Brawl Talk.
En fait, quand j'ai regardé la première fois, j'ai regardé genre en live, j'ai tellement eu de la peine parce qu'en fait, là, c'est son dernier Brawl Talk et il pourra plus jamais. Je crois, apparemment, il va pas faire. C'est dommage. Les temps qu'il a passé sur Brawl Stars.
We were Brawl Brothers.
Forget about it, cuz.
You're fired.
Just stop. What the hell, guys? If you're not in a club, join a club.
Oh, you idiot!
We will always be family, even though we have our separate roads to follow. Get it? Because we're driving cars on a road. That's called the metaphor. It helps the audience understand the story in an artsy way.
I'm not leaving the Brawl Stars team, but I'm moving to a new role. I've been writing stuff for Brawl for a while now, and I'm making it my full-time job. Remember, you can never leave Star Park.
Now claim this freebie.
Bah, tenez un code gratuit, mais en fait, je crois il part pas pour tout le temps, mais il va pas faire des trucs maintenant. Et voilà, un code gratuit pour avoir ce pin. Et merci pour ceux qui ont regardé ma vidéo. Abonnez-vous. Ça me fait plaisir. J'ai déjà 30 sur 50. S'il vous plaît, aidez-moi pour les 50 abonnés. Ça me fait tellement plaisir les gens qui s'abonnent. Bye.